friends. I once again welcome you in today's morning class. So we are on the last part of our very famous lesson, the last lesson, which is the story of Mr. M. Hamel, the French teacher, and a very innocent French boy, Franz, along with the folklores over there. So after 5 detailed lessons, we are on this last part of this particular lesson, which is an incredible story by the writer, and it also teaches us a very important lesson in our life, that we should not take things for granted. Nothing is permanent over here, and we should not be subject to the time and other things. So we should do our best all the time. So Mr. Hamel, along with Franz and other characters, they are all symbolical with their beautiful sketches and all. So before wasting any time, because the video gets bigger and bigger, and it will not be easy for you and me also to download it correctly. So in brief but in detail, I shall try to engage you in this beautiful story of Mr. Hamel and Mr. Franz, the last lesson. Yes, this is the last lesson by Alphonse Daudet. So dear friends, yesterday we have learnt about the sad condition of Mr. M. Hamel and all the students attending the last lesson. Franz felt extremely sad on the part of his teacher, to whom he would never see again from tomorrow onwards. Yesterday we have seen that his sister was there upwards, packing all the things, suitcases and all, and he had to leave tomorrow. He had to leave the city of Alsace tomorrow, which has been occupied by the Prussian forces. So this is the last lesson, and Franz felt extremely sad on the part of his teacher, to whom he would never see again from tomorrow onwards. So let us now study the last part of the lesson. So this is the textbook part. But he had the courage to hear every lesson to the very last. After the writing, we had a lesson in history, and then the babies means all the students. He called all of them babies, because they were actually, though there are grown-up persons, middle-aged persons, and students like Franz, and the below-aged students also, but he called all the students as babies. They were chanting their ba, be, bi, bo, boo. All these are French alphabets, my dear friends. Down there at the back of the room, old Hauser, my dear friends, the reference is there in this lesson. Old Hauser, the mayor of the Alsace city, a former mayor of Alsace city, had put on his spectacles and, holding his primer in both hands, spelled the letters with them. Everyone there, they were all wrapped in utter, they were very much busy in writing. They were all aware that this is their last lesson, and they will not be able to learn French in that city, or there will be no one to teach them French, their mother tongue. You could see that he too was crying. Everyone was crying in that class. Everyone was bidding farewell. Everyone was lamenting, mourning, and expressing their sorrows for Mr. Hamel, who had devoted his 40 years of life there. You could see that he too was crying. His voice trembled with emotion, and it was so funny to hear him that we all wanted to laugh and cry. Oh, how well I remember it, that this is the last lesson. So this is the explanation. Mr. Hamel remained composed and heard the lesson from the entire class. After the writing task, there was a lesson of history followed by phonetics, where they recited the sounds of alphabets ba, boo, be. Franz referred to the class as babies because although they were grown up, they were reciting the lesson of phonetics, alphabets, which is usually done by younger children. So he calls himself and his class to be babies. Yes. Next part. Hauser put on his spectacles and holding the primer in both his hand. Primer, my dear friends, the old book of alphabets taught in the elementary sections. He was crying, his voice trembled as he spoke. Franz had mixed feelings. He found it funny to see how an old man like Hauser was crying and trembling, and on the other hand, he also felt emotional like Hauser did. Franz, a young innocent chap, he has a mixed feeling, but Hauser, a grown up, an experienced person, he knows the price Alsace will have to face after Hamel would be gone. He also felt emotional like Hauser did. Franz could never forget this last lesson. This last lesson is very much unforgettable for Franz. Now, all at once, the church clock struck 12. Then the Angelus, my dear, and Angelus, my dear friends, it is a church prayer, usually done after the bell rang at 12 or in the morning. Okay. Now, at the same moment, the trumpets of the Prussians returning from Real sounded under our windows. Mr. Hamel stood up, very pale, in his chair. I never saw him look so tall. So these are some words, difficult words. Struck, sounded, trumpet, a musical instrument, angulus, drill and pale. So struck means sounded, trumpet is a musical instrument, angulus is a prayer song in the church, and drill means exercise. We have already also read this word, and pale means very sad. This is the expression for Mr. Hamel. So, dear friends, the next part of this lesson, I shall make this lesson in 2 parts, 10 minutes each. So, next part we will see in the next slide. Thank you.